Welcome to Naledi's Subspace.
So what's good, everybody? Welcome back to yet another video. My name is Naledi and thank you so much for watching this video. And I can see that the number of subscribers is going up exponentially. You know, we talk about exponential growth, honey. This is what we're talking about, and thank you so much. I'm hoping that this content is basically doing what it's meant to do. Help wherever it can, and please do take whatever I say with a pinch of salt. I'm not the god of programming, so but anyway, in today's video I would like to share my varsity university journey. As you know that the academic year is about to start in a little over a month, so I would like to share my journey as a student. So one of the questions that was asked in the comment sections was what subjects one needs to take in order for them to become a software engineer. So my advice is that, or as far as I know, not concerned, as far as I know, you need mathematics. Basically, it all depends on which institution you want to go to. So if you want to go to your Wits, your UJ, your University of Pretoria, your UCT, you need to take mathematics. Like, it's the foundation of your computer science career. Like, you know, we're solving problems there. So if you don't want to do maths, then should you even be doing computer science? Okay, so I did mathematics, almost at computer science. In high school, I did mathematics, physical sciences, accounting, life sciences, and the languages and life orientation. And then 2014, I started my degree, BSc degree in information technology, majored in computer science and informatics. So first semester, I did informatics and computer science, which are my majors. I did those up until completion of my degree. And then a single variable calculus, calculus 1, and business management. Don't ask me what I did in business management. All I can tell you is that it annoyed me to death because I was not much of a reader. And then second semester, it was mathematics, computer science, informatics, and information management too. So you had to choose that, or you did electrotechniques, which was more like physics. I was like, hunty, I'm not here for that. And then so I failed calculus, not failed, but I failed the calculus 1B, which was the second semester calculus. And then I ended up writing a supplementary exam for that, and guess what, I passed and then moved over to second year. Now second year, mind you, you need to take 2 mathematics modules. It's no longer just one calculus. You take calculus, or you choose between calculus and discrete mathematics. So linear algebra was compulsory, so you had to choose between the two. And so the good sis was like, okay, since I did calculus 1, rather I continue with calculus 2, because I have a an idea of what it is. Bad idea. I'm kidding. I don't know how it would have been on the other side, but like I decided that I was gonna do calculus. Fine. So second year, first semester, I did linear algebra, calculus 2, linear algebra 2, computer science and informatics. Those ones, terrible twins. Those are the parents of the degree. Mathematics, which is calculus, was quite hard, difficult, but I pushed, I must say. When you get to a point where you want to go outside and copy, like, you remember there was a proof that I saw, and literally that's what's it. Okay. And then second semester, I changed lecturers. That was not cute. And guess what? I failed both my maths modules. I must say that it was not the greatest of semesters for me. It was not favorable. Second semesters are always crap, if I can put it like that. They never fun, they never nice. I'm always like tired by that time, and I'm really like over the whole degree. And like, imagine I'm in second year. First semester I always do well. like do well, like well, you know. And then second semester, that's where I flunk like nobody's business. So I failed both my maths modules, and then the following year, so that was my third year. Luckily, maths was not my major, so it was a semi-major. So the degree is 3 years, so I do maths for 2 years. Then the last year I just focused on my two majors, which is computer science and informatics. But unfortunately for me, I had to carry over 2 maths modules. So for in the second semester, that is, it's not like you can do it in the first semester. Then luckily in the mathematics department, they had this awesome, not awesome, but like alternative semester where you're repeating the module in the semester that you failed in, so you can literally repeat it like the following semester. So I repeated calculus because it was my worst and I did quite well in it. And then second semester I did linear algebra. Okay, so here's the story. So third year, computer science, you don't do, there's no project. First semester it's like a project. It's still a game. Guys, computer science loved games. We always had to like create a game, but using data structures. Then second semester we were using machine language, which was, what was the name? I will put the name of the language that we were using. It is just here, but I forgot about it. I almost said matrix and it's not like what's that? Okay, what do you call Microsoft, not Microsoft, but Windows and Linux and all of those things. Yeah, those ones. What systems? That's what we were doing. Okay. And then we did research, and then for informatics was software engineering. That's where we do the actual building of a system from start to finish, including, so one of our deliverables first semester was mainly like design and all of that. So fast forward to second semester, I literally flunked linear algebra again. Okay, so I failed linear algebra exam, and then I also failed the computer science exam, so I went to go write a supplementary for computer science and linear algebra, of which I passed computer science. And then what happened? Yes, and then I also wrote a supplementary exam for linear algebra, of which I also failed. Like, I failed a supplementary. So I remember going to the faculty of science and telling them like, yo guys, like, ish bad, I think I'm gonna fail. Is there another way for me to sort of like one more module that I have? And they were like, no, just relax, just wait and see how it goes and see if you really failed. I mean, it's still early, you just wrote the paper, so just relax. And then by the grace of God, I just kept on refreshing my blackboard and checking my marks. I mean, literally a week later, I had qualified for a special exam. And yeah, and then I went to go write the special exam. And then finally, I passed my degree, which was amazing. So I had already applied for honors, which I was like conditionally accepted for, but because I had failed and my marks for second semester was super bad, they were like in the 50s. So, and then the first semester was like in the 60s. So when you put 60 and 50 together, they do not give you an average of 60%. So it's supposed to have written another supplementary exam for computer science, and because they had called me before I even knew that I had qualified for a maths exam, so I was like, no guys, I failed my degree, so I cannot write the whatever. So that was just out of the window, no honors for me and whatnot. So yeah, it was just a rocky road, I must say. There were days where I wasn't feeling it. I didn't feel like it. I remember saying to myself and telling people as well that I'm gonna go to, there's this radio station that does course on radio producing or radio production or TV or radio presenting and all of that. So that was like where my passion lied at some point. So I was like, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do radio, as if it was easy in radio, as if it was easy getting gigs in the entertainment industry. But I was fed up. I was out and about. Not out and about, but like I was out and I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And yeah, like, you know, what this video is meant to do is just, you know, motivate and tell you that it's not gonna come easy, especially if you're not like I was lazy on top of that, so that might have also contributed. But the thing is, I was also like, I'm a smart girl, so I pulled through. Okay, so it's just one of those things. You just have to push and push until something happens. You just have to be consistent, stay at it, keep at it, know why you started in the first place. I mean, you can't be that person who's a quitter. Like, you do not quit. You know, in life, you do not quit. The fact that you're still alive means that there's still a chance for you to be something. Means that there's a chance for you to be whatever it is that you want to be. Because if quitting was an option, I mean, life would have quit on you. You would have died already, but because you were given another chance to be alive today, so make use of that. And yeah, so that's just about it. I've tried by all means to make this video like short, but I know it's not going to be less than 10 minutes, but it is what it is. So thank you so much. Please do keep on subscribing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. You want to comment, share experiences and whatnot, you can do that on the comment section. And that's it from me, and I'm out.